Hi, this is Jay. Today we're going to talk about oil. People ask about what kind of oil uh, you recommend. Well, look, I recommend good oil. Good oil, you buy those gallon is like $100 and up. So you use, because you use it on yourself. Just think about it. If you buy that cheap oil and you're going to use this on your hands and it's going to go inside your body, which is important. And also I highly recommend, I don't use a lot of oil. So this can has probably been, you can see it's like even barely started. It's been 2 months. This is how I use this oil much. But I use most of the time muscle wrap. In California, it's available with the CBD product, which is great because when it's get inside your body, inside those skins and joints, it's get this little bit inflammation. It's also turmeric up here, arnica, and mint. And of course, polarized CBD, so that cannabinoid product. It's great product, Quanta. They actually out of business. I bought so many of them because I like it and I still have it. I use that one. But you can find your product. It's so much CBD product and muscle wrap up there. And one more thing, if you like those essential oil, you add some like specific smells like lavender or orange. Just learn about the drops you've been added, because let's say lavender is more for relaxation, and the citrus one, like an orange lemon, it's more for energetic. I usually use for that sport therapy, move like stuff around for more relaxation. And if I feel the person is stressed, I tell them I use the lavender. But the problem is, it's a lot of people those days have an allergy, and lavender, I think it's the number one allergy kind of essential oil. So bergamot is good. It's bunch of patchouli. I like those herbs. I love to learn about the herbs because it's a great stuff, great for our health. And yes, I do use them. That's one patchouli one. I have a spray patchouli. I love patchouli. I even have an incense patchouli. Let me grab it, show it to you. Look, it's it's a patchouli spray and with the sage. This is patchouli, the smell incense. That's why, like I said, I'm personally like patchouli. I use patchouli, but some people don't. That's why you have just a regular, no sense any oil, just a regular one. And I buy gallon for, I think it's 100 something, $15. I don't buy that $50 because sometimes it's very, very greasy and you can tell it's not a good product. So yeah, this is all about. You'll find your own one. And if you learn about, like I said, is aromatherapy, this is great because if you know the person, births of day, you can create that specific custom made oil, and it's going to be high end. People love that stuff. You know, people come in, I ask his day of birth, I go to computer, I put this all through the computer. They find out so which oil is good for him, for this person. I call them, how do you like that smell? And guess what? Yeah, I love that smell. I like that sandalwood, and we start using that sandalwood for the person. He purchases it, he brings his own oil, and I work on him with his own oil. So I don't hold all this oil for individual people. And people like it because it's a custom-made oil for this person. You guys have a wonderful day. Subscribe with our Patreon, our YouTube. Learn more about massage therapy and how fast to get to that master level to start making good money. Because in that low level of the salaries of this corporate massages, you're not going to make good money, especially right now. You're not. So you guys enjoy your day. Bye bye.